How to fix Cinema HD app not working. In today's video, I'm going to help you fix one of the most common problems with the Cinema HD app. If you've been trying to stream your favorite movies and TV shows, but Cinema HD isn't working properly, don't worry, this video will walk you through some simple steps to get it working again. So let's dive right in. Before you start troubleshooting, make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow or unstable connection can cause buffering or issues with loading content. Try switching Wi Fi to cellular data and see if that works. If not, simply try opening a website or another streaming app to see if your connection is the issue. Now, if your internet is fine but the app is still misbehaving, clearing the cache and data of the Cinema HD app might help. If you're on Android, simply go to your settings, tap on apps, and simply find Cinema SD and simply click on storage. Here you'll see the options to clear cache and clear data. Tap both. This will reset the app without losing your settings or favorite movies. After clearing the cache and data, try opening the app again to see if it's working. If that doesn't fix the issue, it could be that you're using an outdated version of Cinema HD. To check for updates, go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for Cinema HD and see if there's an update available. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app to avoid bugs and compatibility issues. Now, some of you might be using a VPN to access certain content on Cinema HD. If you're having trouble, it might be that your VPN is interfering with the app. Simply try disabling VPN on your settings. Turn off your VPN and try switching to a different server or region. And that's it. Those are some of the most common fixes for when the Cinema HD app isn't working.